Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to the Wi-Fi internet. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you moved homes and you need to reconnect to the Wi-Fi. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, let's navigate to System Settings. Next, click on Internet, then click on Internet Settings. And then from this option here, you want to wait until you find a list of internet connections. So go ahead and find the Wi-Fi connection that's the same name as yours. So we're just going to click on this one. And then from this option here, we're just going to go ahead and enter our password. Now, once you've entered your password, you're just going to click on OK. Wait until it actually goes ahead to start connecting. And as you can see, the connection was successful. Click on OK. And then now you can see that we're connected to the internet. So once you click on Internet Settings, you should see the option in which it is connected to your Wi-Fi network. So we are connected to the Wi-Fi network, again, indicated by the fact that Wi-Fi signal is now available. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to the Wi-Fi internet. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.